Are you looking for the perfect work van to start your very own business? This 2021 Ram ProMaster 2500 isn't just a van, it's a money-making machine. For entrepreneurs who think outside the box, this van can be transformed into a business on wheels. And the very best part, the demand is huge, and very few people are doing it. Imagine offering a high-end mobile car wash service for luxury vehicles. Business professionals and car enthusiasts will pay top dollar to have their cars detailed at their home or office. Pet owners love convenience. A mobile pet grooming van means no more stressful trips to the groomer. Just pull up to their house and get to work. A barbershop on wheels lets you take your skills anywhere. Offices, events, private homes, you'll never run out of clients looking for a fresh cut without leaving their home or job. Ladies, this one's for you. A mobile nail salon means your clients don't have to go to a busy salon. Offer VIP treatments and charge premium prices for convenience. The 2021 Ram ProMaster 2500 has the space, reliability, and fuel economy to turn your business idea into reality. Available now at CarFive in Plastow, New Hampshire. Don't wait to start your dream business.